What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Money AI. Today, I'm revealing the secrets to making real money online using AI. Forget what you know. AI has changed the game, and I'll show you how to cash in. This isn't a lecture. It's a step-by-step guide to financial freedom with 7 actionable AI money-making methods you can start today. From content that writes itself to building apps with zero coding, I've tested these strategies so you get only what works. I'll show you the tools, the tactics, and real earning potential. Plus, stick around for a bonus tip at the end that could be your game changer. Grab a notebook. Let's dive in and transform your life with AI. First up, freelance content creation with AI. It's a game changer, a revolution in how we approach writing and earning. Every business needs content. It's the lifeblood of their online presence, the voice that speaks to their customers. Blogs, emails, compelling narratives that draw readers in and keep them engaged. Social posts, website copy. The digital world thrives on words, and businesses are constantly searching for fresh, engaging content. The demand is endless. It's a vast ocean of opportunity waiting to be tapped. Not a writer? Doesn't matter. The old rules don't apply anymore. Tools like ChatGPT, the AI-powered writing assistant that's changing the game, Jasper and Copy.ai, are your new best friends. Do the heavy lifting. They're like having a tireless writing partner who never runs out of ideas. Generate a 500-word blog post, a comprehensive article that would normally take hours in minutes, not days. Imagine the time you'll save, the freedom you'll gain. Here's the play, the winning strategy to turn AI into your personal cash machine. Go to Upwork or Fiverr, the bustling marketplaces where clients are actively seeking content creators. Find writing gigs, opportunities to showcase your skills and earn a living, and use AI to draft content fast. Let the AI handle the initial creation, the brainstorming, the first draft. But don't just copy-paste. That's not the path to success. Edit, add personality, inject your unique voice and perspective into the AI-generated text, and polish for quality. Refine the language, ensure accuracy, and make it shine. The more you produce, the more efficient you become, the more you earn. It's a direct correlation. Increased output equals increased income. You're now a content machine, a streamlined, efficient producer of high-quality content, not just a freelancer. You're a content entrepreneur, leveraging AI to build a thriving business. Take on multiple clients. Don't limit yourself. AI handles the bulk, freeing you up to manage multiple projects simultaneously. You do the final touches. The finishing touches that elevate the content and make it truly exceptional. Charge $100 per blog post, a fair price for the value you're providing. That takes you 30 minutes. That's an incredible hourly rate. Do one a day? Just one? That's $3,000 a month. A solid income stream with minimal effort. Specialize for higher rates. Become an expert in a specific niche. Be the go-to AI writer for a particular industry, like real estate, dentists, catering to their unique content needs, or tech startups. The more specialized you are, the more valuable you become. Build a portfolio fast, showcasing your best AI-assisted writing samples. Niche down, focus your efforts on a specific area of expertise, and raise your prices. Demand higher rates for your specialized skills and expertise. This is freelancing on steroids. It's a hyper-efficient AI-powered approach to content creation. Your mission, should you choose to accept it? Try a free AI writer. Explore the capabilities of these powerful tools. Set up a Fiverr profile. Create a compelling profile that showcases your skills and services, and land your first client. That first client is a huge milestone, a validation of your skills and potential. Don't overthink, just start. The best way to learn is by doing. This is the easiest money, the most accessible income opportunity you'll ever make with AI. It's a low-risk, high-reward venture with unlimited potential. Ready for the next level? Are you prepared to unlock your full earning potential? Let's go! The future of freelancing is here, and it's powered by AI. The world of graphic design is rapidly changing, and it's now more accessible than ever before. Next, AI-powered graphic design for non-artists. No prior experience needed. Tools like Midjourney, the revolutionary AI platform, DALL-E, the image generator from OpenAI, and Canva's AI features are democratizing design. They let you create stunning images, breathtaking visuals, with just a prompt. A simple sentence can unlock a world of visual possibilities. Need a logo for your brand? Type a description of your ideal logo, and AI generates multiple options, each unique and tailored to your specifications. All in seconds. No waiting, no revisions, just instant results. Sell these designs on Etsy, and tap into a massive market of eager buyers. Fiverr, where you can offer your design services to a global audience, or Upwork, the leading platform for freelancers. It's fast, affordable, and delivers high-quality results that will impress your clients. Go beyond logos. Expand your creative horizons. Offer social media content packages, creating eye-catching posts and stories, digital patterns for fabrics, wallpapers, and more, or fantasy art prints that transport viewers to magical realms. The secret to success in this new era? Mastering prompt writing. It's the key to unlocking the full potential of AI. It's the new design skill, the ability to communicate your vision to an AI. Way easier than Photoshop. No more complex tools or steep learning curves. Become an art director. Guide the AI to bring your ideas to life. Your vision, your creative direction, AI's execution. A powerful partnership that redefines creativity. Start with free trials. Explore the possibilities without any commitment. Experiment with different prompts, styles, and techniques. Build a portfolio of your best work, showcasing your unique style, and target businesses, offering them cutting-edge design solutions, YouTubers, helping them create engaging thumbnails and channel art, or online stores, providing them with stunning product visuals. Offer value and speed, a combination that clients will love, that traditional designers can't match. Gain a competitive edge in the design market. Your mission, to embrace this new technology and unlock your creative potential. Try Midjourney and witness the magic of AI-powered design firsthand. Or Bing Image Creator, a free and accessible tool for generating stunning visuals. Create samples that showcase your skills and attract potential clients. And pitch to your target market, demonstrating the power of AI in design. This is visual gold, a valuable opportunity to transform your career. Start mining this new frontier of design and reap the rewards. For aspiring YouTubers, digital marketers, and content creators, anyone looking to make their mark online, AI video creation is not just a trend. It's a game changer that's reshaping the entire landscape of online content. It's revolutionizing how videos are made, distributed, and consumed. Tools like Pictory, InVideo, and SangeethaShee are leading the charge, offering intuitive interfaces and powerful features that democratize video production. These platforms automate script writing, taking the burden off your shoulders and allowing you to focus on the bigger picture. They also handle voiceovers, providing a range of AI-generated voices to perfectly match your script and brand. And of course, they streamline the entire editing process, making video creation faster and more efficient than ever before. Imagine being able to turn a blog post into a full, engaging video with just a few clicks. That's the power of AI, transforming text into captivating visuals in minutes, not hours. You can even start a faceless YouTube channel, leveraging AI to create content without ever showing your face. Simply find trending articles that resonate with your target audience, feed them into Pictory or your AI video creation tool of choice, review the generated video, and upload it to your channel. This allows you to create multiple videos daily, scaling your content output like never before. The more videos you create, the higher your chances of going viral, reaching a wider audience, and monetizing your channel faster than you thought possible. But it's not just for YouTubers. Businesses need video content too, for marketing, training, and internal communications. You can offer to turn their existing blogs and articles into engaging video content, perfect for sharing on social media platforms, websites, and email campaigns. And you can be charging hundreds, even thousands per video, depending on the scope and complexity of the project. With SangeethaShee, you can take your video creation to the next level. You can create videos with AI avatars that act as virtual presenters, adding a human touch to your automated content. These are perfect for training modules, compelling sales presentations, or even personalized messages that resonate with individual customers or clients. To maximize your success, pick a niche. Perhaps e-commerce ads for specific products, engaging explainer videos for complex topics, or short attention-grabbing social media content that goes viral. Offer speed and volume to your clients. Solve their content creation problem and become an indispensable asset to their business. By mastering these AI tools, you're not just a video editor, you're now a video strategist, offering high-level solutions and strategic insights that go far beyond simple editing tasks. So here's your challenge. Try Pictory, InVideo, or SangeethaShee. Make your first AI-powered video and see the magic for yourself. Then, brainstorm ways to monetize this incredible tech and build a thriving business around it. The future of video creation is here, and it's powered by AI. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to transform your career and your income. Let's get technical. AI chatbot development, no coding needed. Platforms like ManyChat, Chatfuel, and Tidio let you build chatbots with drag-and-drop tools. Businesses need 24/7 customer service. Chatbots answer questions, capture leads, and close sales while owners sleep. Build bots for local businesses, pizza shops, realtors, e-commerce stores. Charge setup fees, $500 to $2,000, plus monthly retainers, $50 to $200 for maintenance. Land 10 clients at $100/month. That's $1,000 passive income. Your skill, understanding business needs and designing helpful conversations. Mission: build a simple bot for a local business using a free plan, then pitch it for $300. This is a massive, untapped market. Jump in. Ready for creative fun and profit? Sell AI-generated art and music. Use Midjourney or DALL-E to create unique art. Sell as digital downloads on Etsy or as print-on-demand products. One file can sell thousands of times true passive income. Printful and Redbubble. Handle printing and shipping, just upload your designs and collect profits. For music, platforms like AIVA and SoundDraw let you generate original tracks in any genre. Sell royalty-free music packs to YouTubers, podcasters, and filmmakers on sites like Pond5. Find your niche, become known for a specific style or vibe. Build a brand around your AI creations. Turn a hobby into a business. Curate, create, and sell. For the data-driven, offer AI-powered market research and analysis. Businesses are drowning in data and need insights to stay ahead. Use tools like Polymer or Julius AI to analyze reviews, social media, and trends. No PhD required. Example: analyze local coffee shop reviews. Find what customers want and deliver actionable insights. Charge $500, $1,000 for a report that gives businesses a competitive edge. Do this for any industry: e-commerce, software, retail. You're selling clarity and strategy, not just data. Start by analyzing a niche you like, create a sample report, and pitch your service. Most businesses don't even know this is possible. Be their secret weapon. The final method: build and sell AI-powered apps with no-code platforms. Tools like Bubble, Glide, and Adalo let you create apps visually. No coding needed. Add AI features to solve real problems. Custom workout generators, property description writers, podcast show note creators. Build micro SaaS products for niche audiences. Don't aim for Facebook, solve one specific pain point. Charge subscriptions for ongoing access. Build once, earn forever. This is true digital leverage. Your app works while you sleep. It takes effort upfront, but the payoff can be huge. Your skill spotting problems and building simple, useful tools. Mission: explore a no-code platform, watch a tutorial, and brainstorm your first app idea. This is the top of the AI money mountain. Start climbing. That's it. 7 real ways to make money with AI in 2025. The future is wide open. Choose your path and get started. If you found value, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI money-making tips. Comment below. Which method are you most excited to try? Here's your bonus tip. Always keep learning. AI evolves fast. Stay curious, experiment, and adapt. New opportunities appear every day. Stay hungry, keep learning, and you'll be unstoppable. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.